Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And today's topic is technology in retail banking. Sure, today I'll be giving you 3 technologies for retail banking. Firstly, we'll cover the technology and then we'll be covering some objective questions. Those will be general. So let's start with the schedule. What is the schedule? See this, 3 technologies I'll be giving you in banking. What are the 3 new technologies which have come up in banking today? Okay, and then we'll be dealing with the objective questions. Okay, so let's start with the series without wasting the time immediately. Everyone, as you all have joined JAIIB now, search on these videos, my videos, okay, and you'll find it over there. Which is the toughest one? Where time is to be given more? All these things covered over there. Okay, so let's start. First technology, digital banking. Digital banking means what? Online banking. Digital platforms and apps that allow customers to access their accounts, pay bills, make transactions from their smartphones or other devices. Now this is basically digital banking, but I'll add few more points over here, because now what has happened, digital banking has not been limited to only this accessing the account, paying the bills, making transactions. No, these are all old subjects now. New topics are getting the loans. Directly I can get the loans without documentation. Get loans. This has come up as a new thing, right? I can apply for insurance, third party products, insurance, mutual funds. Okay, I can apply for TPP over here. So things have moved on now in digital banking. During COVID situation, when we came across when the COVID came, at that time the whole banking space changed. Okay, so whatever was done physically is being done now this digitally. So getting loans is an important part. Opening accounts, saving and current accounts, okay, that can be done digitally now, right? Digital banking. Have you seen those neo banks? Neo, I'll write it over here. What is neo bank? Neo, just check out on Google. This is a new type of banking. It's a layer banking. Okay, I'll take a separate topic on this neo banking, but this is a part of digital banking as such. So clearing, transfer, loans, not cash actually, clearing, transfer, loans, everything is done via digital banking, right? Now this digital banking has moved to, now we have cardless withdrawals, right? Every bank has it. So no cards are required. That is also part of digital banking. This has made banking more convenient and accessible to many people, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, when in-person visits to the banks were limited, right? So during COVID, this digital banking has helped a lot and it has evolved a lot during that time. Okay. Second one, blockchain technology. See here, these technologies, digital, blockchain, and third one is AI. These 3 will be asked to you in exam. At least some reference is given about that. Okay. So all banks are exploring the use of blockchain technology to improve their efficiency and security of financial transactions. Now what do you mean by this? See, this blockchain technology which has come up is a new thing in banking. It will change the whole banking premise. Okay. It's a distributed ledger system. Here, DLT, distributed ledger technology we call it, or system we call it. Okay. This I'll take a separate lecture now, because I am having a separate lecture on this DLT. Okay. So this will remove the requirement of concurrent audit as such. This may remove. I don't say it will remove. It may remove. Okay. So DLT means what? Once the transaction is done, it is confirmed by all the persons in that or all the links in that chain. So all the banks are exploring the use of blockchain to improve the efficiency. For example, banks can use blockchain to track and verify the movement of money between accounts or facilitate cross-border payments. See, forex payments. So now presently what we are doing for forex and what we will be doing for forex after blockchain is totally different. The commission will be reduced heavily. Okay, number 1. KYC will become much stronger using this blockchain technology. Okay, and within accounts also, within India also. So within accounts also it will grow a lot. Means the safety will grow a lot. Now before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever you need for clearing JAIIB and CAIIB, you will get it over here. So immediately download it, isn't it? Now what is this DLT? See here, that working I won't give it, but the security features I'll give it. Okay, it is distributed. Distributed means what? All network participants have a copy of the ledger for complete transparency. This is the main part in banking. See here, transparency is very important. Why do we have audits in the bank? So that we have complete transparency to the board of directors, whatever is happening in the branches. So this creates a transparency. So if I am having a technology which will immediately report whatever is happening, so won't there be more transparency? Isn't it? Second is immutable. Means what? Immute. Mutable means what? Suppose if I have done some transaction or done something, if I can rub it, that is called as mutable. Immutable means reverse of that. Any validated records are irreversible and cannot be changed. So once it is done, is done. Okay. Next, time stamped. So transaction timestamp is recorded on a block. So everything which is done at a specific time, so that time is recorded. Unanimous. All network participants agree to the validity of each records. So whatever has been done right now, it can't be copied somewhere else. Okay, means that's why it's called as unanimous. All participants agree for the validity. So otherwise, if it same thing happens and it goes on repeating, then the unanimity will be lost, isn't it? Anonymous. So now this is an important feature over here, because what happens if I say distributed ledger and everyone comes to know my balance? Means here all the participants come to know my balance, account balance, then what's the use? Where is the privacy concept? So that's why it's anonymous. The identity of the participants is either anonymous or pseudonymous. Pseudonymous means what? We have that virtual address. So actual address, the actual name and details are not displayed, right? Secure. All records are individually encrypted. Encrypted means you can't have this encryption means you can't know the details of the message being sent. Like our mobile, all our voice messages which we do are all encrypted. You get the same message during that WhatsApp call, remember? Just do the WhatsApp call and you will see this. All that WhatsApp messages are encrypted. Similarly over here, programmable. A blockchain is programmable, means this is called as smart contracts. So these are the advantages of blockchain technology or distributed ledger, and remember all the banks are coming up for the same, because efficiency is means it is reflected a lot using the blockchain. Third is AI. All the banks are using AI to improve customer service and support. What is this AI? Has anyone seen this AI presently being used? Anyone knows? What is this? Give you? Say this. Chatbot. You know this? Chatbot. Ask Ela. SBI. Right? Others also. There are many. Isn't it? That is all AI. Artificial intelligence. Right? So, chatbots which we see. The next step of chatbot is what? ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is also a part of this AI part only. Okay, GP, not B, GPT. Okay, all banks are using AI to improve customer service and support. For example, AI powered chatbots can handle simple customer inquiries, freeing up the human customer service representatives to focus on more complex issues. Right? Why should a human being be used for repetitive jobs like balance inquiry, last 3 transactions? Why is a human being needed? It can be done by the machines. So that's what is being done. That's what the use of AI is. AI can also be used to analyze customer data and provide personalized financial advice. That is also main feature. Means how am I using my money? If AI comes to know, that AI can definitely guide me with proper loan requirement. How much loan should I take? So that my NPS will be reduced, bank's NPS will be reduced, customer will be more knowledgeable in that case, isn't it? Now let's come to the question time. Now these questions are many a times asked in the exams. Okay, so follow them completely. So let's start with the first one. Advantages of retail banking include. So what are the advantages? Risk is less as client base is large. You answer it now. Risk is less as client base is large. Income is relatively more spread. Spread is more. Okay. Stable model with less volatility. And all of the above. So what is the answer? Risk is less for retail banking, or is it more? It is less. It is true. Correct. Risk is less because the risk is distributed among various members. Income is relatively more spread. More as spread is more, right? So spread is more means what? Spread means what? NIM, net interest margin. Okay. So NIM means what? Whatever I get from the loans, interest, and whatever I give on the deposits. The gap is known as NIM. Stable model with less volatility. That's correct. Retail banking is always less volatile, and that's why it's trustworthy. So the answer is D, all of the above. Okay? D, all of the above. Because all of them are true. Before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the free YouTube series on all the subjects. Number 1. Number 2, you will be getting various updates on JAIIB and CAIIB, latest ones. So that's why whatever is free, grab it fast. Click on the bell icon. Okay. Which one of the following is not an advantage of retail banking? Not. Here you want not an advantage. You don't want the advantage, right? Not an advantage. So high cross-selling potential. Is it an advantage? Okay. What we'll do is we'll first find the advantage. So advantage we'll write A, and not an advantage we'll write D, disadvantage. Okay. So high cross-selling potential. Is it an advantage? Type in the comment section. High cross-selling means I can do huge cross-selling. What do you mean by cross-selling? Suppose if I am having a customer who's having a savings account, I can sell an insurance product to that guy. I can sell a mutual fund to that guy. So what is it? This is cross-selling. So is this an advantage? Yes. I can increase the income of my bank. Second, high customer loyalty. This is also an advantage. Why? Because once the customer comes to your bank, have you seen any customer leaving your branch, leaving your bank, unless you give some bad service? Otherwise, customers don't leave. Retail banking customers are most loyal. So that is again an advantage. Okay, A. Less volatility in business. Now that is also an advantage. Why? Because every year retail banking, here as the population grows, the retail banking will always grow by around 5 to 10% depending on the population percentage. So that is also an advantage. That's why the answer is A, advantage. High default rates. This is an advantage? No, this is not an advantage. This is what I want, right? Because default rates are lesser in retail banking as compared to corporate banking. See here, when we say high default rate, it means it's in comparison to the corporate banking. So this is not an advantage, right? The default rates are less over here, less default rates. Okay. Which one of the following is not a part of retail banking? Not. Okay, we want not. So that's what important here. Always in exam you have to check the question first. What is asked? Internet banking, mobile banking, providing long-term loans for projects, and credit card facility. Not an advantage. So in retail banking, internet banking is needed, mobile is needed. Project loans, is this a part of your retail banking? So project loans is not a part of retail banking, that is a part of corporate banking. So this is not a part of retail banking. Got it? Now you will say, sir, but in our branch we do give the retail loans, but we give project loans. But remember, the project loans which we give in the retail branch are generally for 5 years. Here what we are talking in project loans is around 15 to 20 years, building a dam, building huge road construction across India. That is called a huge project. So that becomes a part of corporate banking, isn't it? After the outbreak of COVID-19, the future of retail banking will depend mainly on, now this is a quite interesting question. So what do you say? After outbreak of COVID-19, the future will depend on what? Branch banking, brick and mortar, digital, and none of the above. So where are we heading to? in the banking system. Where are we heading to? Are we heading towards more bank branches? Of course, we are heading to bank branches, but that is in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. What about the tier 1 metros? We are not moving here. If you see, the banks are not opening that much branches now. All are moving towards digital. Why digital? Cost. Brick and mortar branch or actual branch, how much does it cost? Versus if I just open an app and do the advertisement, how much does it cost? So that's why digital banking is the future of retail banking. The proportion of housing loans in the retail loan segment is more than 50%, 60%, 75%, 45%. So it is more than what? Housing loans in retail segment. How many of you can answer this? It is more than 50. It is more than 50%. Okay. So that is the answer. Okay. Chal. So now let me show you the batches. See this, 2 batches. One is the Sankalp batch for English, and second is not a batch. Actually, it's a group. JAIIB ka Mahapack means what? I'll tell you. See this, Sankalp batch means the batch which is going on right now for October series. Okay, join it ASAP. All the 4 subjects are covered. Okay, PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking. June 12th started. Okay, so join ASAP. Now, let me show you how to join this. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. If you are having the app, I would always suggest you to go through the app. Okay, always go through the app. Why through the app? Because in the app you will be getting 1% extra using the coin system. There's a coin system. Okay, so try that. So let's go to Adda 24/7. Say this on the front page itself. Once you scroll down, you will see this JAIIB and CAIIB. Click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Okay, then click on JAIIB October 23. See this, JAIIB October 23. Done. Click on this JAIIB Sankalp batch. Okay, this. It is starting on July 3rd. This is a new batch which is starting on July 3rd. Okay, so join this. This is a new batch which is starting. Immediately join it. Okay, click on this. Okay, look at the details, all the details, expert faculties, interactive classes, recorded videos, live, limited batch size. So everything you are getting it over here. Recorded videos are available 24/7. Okay, let me show you over here. Recorded videos are available 24/7. So if you miss out on any class, you can definitely get back using the recorded videos. So use this code. See this. Click on buy now. Click on June 75 code. See this, June 75 code. It's already applied, 75% off. So 19,999 reduces to 4,999.75. Okay. In fact, I would suggest you can use the Mahapack. Join the Mahapack. I would suggest. In Mahapack, what do you get? You get 15 plus batches. Let me show you. See this, JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. Click on this. Click on JAIIB ka Mahapack. Okay. Now once you click on JAIIB ka Mahapack, look at this. 600 plus hours online classes, 235 test series, 250 ebooks, 617 videos, means so much, so many things, many batches as such. Okay, look at this. Live classes for 600 plus, structured courses content for JAIIB 23. You can read this, go on reading. Okay, you get various batches over here. Now click on this buy now. Again you see the code is already applied, June 75. So you're getting the discount of 37,950 reduces to 7,735. Such a huge discount you are getting. Click on continue, fill in the details and pay. That's it. Tomorrow I'll be back with another series. Till then, bye, keep studying and do join the batches. Okay.